In this video, I'm going to cover the differences with the new Google Ads interface compared to the old interface and what you need to know about this. So basically, as usual, Google has done an update of the interface, which they have been doing consistently over the years, and has changed up a bunch of stuff. So I'm just going to quickly cover where everything is and what you need to find in this new interface so you actually know how to use it. So basically, what happened is previously there was a gray bar up here that had the tools and all the other different things, the billing, settings, and so on, which used to be at the top of the window up here. Now, basically what's happened is they have moved that section down to the left here, as you can see. So for instance, if you're looking for things to do with conversions, they have now made a separate icon, which is goals, and then conversions is under here, and you can find all the conversions there. Same thing with the measurement settings here for attribution. Now you've got the old tools section here as well, where you've got planning, then you've got the keyword planner and so on. And then you've got the billing section and the admin section. Now, this is actually largely the same as what used to be up the top in this bar here. It's just that the bar has been shifted to the left of the window here, and then everything is in here. So that's really the only difference here in this new interface. They've also shifted a couple of things around here in this section. So this is where, you had campaigns, ad groups, and that kind of thing. And that's still all here. The only difference is now Insights and Reports is up here, and the search terms are in here as well under Insights and Reports as opposed to down the bottom. And over here, you've got the keywords and the audiences down here. The rest is the same. The assets, you've got the assets, which is extensions, essentially things like structured snippets and all that stuff, images, that kind of thing. And then if you go under campaigns, you've got ad groups and ads here under this section. So if we just compare this to the old design, you can see here that it's actually not that different. So this is the gray bar that I was talking about with the tools and settings and all that, the appearance and so on, which you have now on the left here. You got the goals, you got the tools, you got the billing, which used to be up here under tools and settings, and then all of these. So it's basically just a rearrangement. It's really not that big of a change. And then on the left here, you've got the Insights and Reports. You see you got the search terms, where and when ads showed. All of this is still largely in the same grouping. It's just that the ads have been shifted into the campaign section. Assets are on their own. Keywords are on their own. And then you've got the settings down here. Now, one other thing I want to point out is where the negative keywords are on the new one. So if we go to search keywords, you actually need to click search keywords, and then negative keywords are now a tab in the search keywords, as you can see here. So that's where you need to go if you're going to add negative keywords, which obviously you should be doing if you're running Google Ads. Now, one other thing with this interface, if you want to try and find out where your ads have actually been shown, there's a new thing under Insights and Reports here where it says when and where ads showed. And if you click on that one, obviously where ads showed is going to primarily be a display setting or display data. But if you go to devices, you're going to be able to tell which devices your ads actually showed for, which is actually a good bit of information here. So that's largely it. That's all of the changes. It's actually not that drastic. It's more a rearrangement and just a little bit of a change in design and moving that bar onto the left here. So hope you guys found that helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.